Hi guys, I'm gonna play Bloxburg for today again. Um, I already fixed my house, guys. Sorry if you didn't see that. Don't mind that smoke, okay? I think there was a glitch in my house because the smoke from my fireplace sweating. Now I made a space for a bathroom. I'm still saving. I'm gonna see how much is a light. It's kind of dark here. I should remove that. Where's the light? Lights. If I'm a light, where do I? Oh, is it in decorate? Is it in decorate lighting? Just gonna get the not non-expensive one. How do I put this on? How do I put this? I'm gonna decorate that part. I think it's not. I'm gonna make it something household. I'm gonna make this my area where I do my household stuff. This for 90. That's a dryer. To put my laundry stuff there. This would be my ultra bathroom. That whole part I made is a bathroom. So I always forget to close the doors because I'm lazy. Guys already know what's inside my house. Showed you what all in my house. Where's the light? Oh, at least there's lights now inside the house. Open up. Take. Wash. I have a washer. I have a washer here. Re- Place. Take. Oh, that if there's no, I got scammed. I lost all my outfits. You will take this back. Okay, pretend like they're washing. Maybe they're washing. Wait, I'm gonna check if that was a washer. Maybe it's not a washer. Where was it? What was it again? Household. No. Household. This is a. I use a basic washer. Bruh. I use a basic dryer. So dumb. IQ 21. Bye bye basic dryer. And bye bye laundry basket. Gonna use you again. Household. A literal washer is so expensive. I'm gonna redo this room, guys. was it? Minus 10. Build. I forgot. I still have the roof. Emergency. Too short. 6. Where is it? Coming. Oh no. There's what? Mm, I had one friend in school that likes to play this game too, guys. But I forgot. But I'm too lazy to friend him in the game. Where is that thing? Oh yeah, it's decorate. Where is it? I'm gonna put a counter. For every time I need to eat cereal, I could just go there in the counter and do it. But I have to go to the bathroom to my beer. I hate it. That's why I always need to. How much was the cereal? Cereal. Cereal. Open. It says I need a counter. That's why I put the counter in the bathroom. Aries, can you go? It's too noisy. Now I will place my phone. Aries! Whoa, your phone is so noisy. Finally, when can I get that? I think. Oh no, this is the game my sister doesn't like to play because she gets sad because she doesn't because she's just 4 years old. I wait. I'm gonna figure out where's your house because where are you? I hope you're lucky and we live close to each other. What is that? I don't know. Gonna put a party? Where's the party? How do I make a party again? No, nobody's. No, I just wasted some of my money for a party. Wait, I think my sister can come to the party, right? Wait, guys, guys, it's okay if I'm not moving because I'm trying using my sister's phone. Not letting me. She can use this. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm bored. What do I do again when I'm bored? Wait, guys. Sorry, guys. My sister just hit my phone. What did you do? You locked me in the closet. And bye, guys. To the end of the video. Bye.